This is the sun and moon meditation, and I'll take you through it and guide you today. But the idea is that you're going to be bringing in sun and moon energy, visualizing the sun coming in on the left side of your body, and I'll show you where it goes, and the moon coming in on the right. And you're going to fill your body with this energy. And I'll take you through the prompts and the cues from your toes up. So very much like a pitcher of water fills a glass from the bottom up, you're going to be filling your body with this sun and moon energy. And this is, again, as this white, you're going to create a white energy light. And as the white fills, do you see all the oozy stuff at the bottom? You're going to be letting go of stale, stagnant, emotional and physical energy. It might start a dark color for you. It could be a black dark color or some other dark color. And as we continue the meditation and breathe and continue to fill our bodies with the white light, you will see that light start to turn to white. It'll lighten, and by the end of the meditation time with us together, it might not be completely clear. So feel free just to feel whatever clearing you do have, and don't worry that it might still have a tinge of gray or whatever darker color you have envisioned. But the idea is we're going to use the sun and moon energy to bring white healing energy into our bodies. The other, one of the places where this energy is going to transform, we're going to bring in sun and moon energy, and it's going to enter through our Baihui point. So if you remember, if you go to the tips of your ears and draw a line up to the top of your head, the point where that meets, that's your Baihui. So Baihui point. So kind of just get that point figured out, and it's just in this general area up here. So just kind of envision that and make sure that you've got that clear, because I'm going to be referencing that throughout the meditation. Your eyes should not be closed. Because we are bringing in sun and moon, I want to make sure that you are bringing in, having your eyes slightly open, gazing in the distance, not focusing on anything. And the reason for this is when your eyes are almost closed, do it now and you can kind of get a feel. The top is darker and the bottom is lighter. That mimics the sun and moon energy we're drawing into ourselves, that yang and yin energy coming into our bodies. So make sure that as you are bringing in, you have the eyes almost closed, that you can see the dark and the light as you just soften your focus off into the distance. Let's go ahead and begin and get comfortable in the Wuji position. That's sitting in your chair. The spine is straight and you are feeling grounded and comfortable in your seat. Take a deep breath, deep into your lower dantian, and exhale. And continue to inhale and exhale softly through your nose only. Imagine the sun over the left eye, if you will. You can vaguely see the sun above your head, outside of your left eye. And imagine the moon over your right eye, just above your head. Feel their presence over that Baihui point. Imagine that the sun is sending down this golden light. It's pouring this golden light into the Baihui point. And the moon is pouring in a silvery light. Both streams of light meet in the Baihui point at the top of the head and combine into white light energy. This white light energy pours into the body, filling the entire body from the feet to the top of the head, like a pitcher filling a glass of water. Breathe softly and see your body completely fill with this white energy light. Continue to vision this light until the body is so full that the energy comes out your pores. At first, a thick, black, sticky energy might be coming out your pores, flowing down into the ground. This thick, black, or dark energy contains any of the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual toxins that are being released from the body. Breathe softly as you watch this stuck, stagnant energy flow into the ground. And as you continue to breathe, seeing the silvery and golden light of the sun and moon continue to transform into the white energy, coming into and continuing to fill your body. The energy that flows out of your pores will begin to lighten. It will lighten as the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual toxins are released into the ground. You might see this energy turning from black to gray, to a lighter gray, and then white. Continue to breathe as you see this energy flowing out your pores, cleansing you from the inside out. As the energy lightens and continues to pour out of you, begin to fill the entire room with this white healing energy, beginning by filling your aura in all 6 directions: up, down, left, right, front, and back. Breathe softly as you fill your aura and the entire room with this sun and moon transformed energy. Bring your gaze back to the Baihui point as needed, seeing the golden energy of the sun and the silvery energy of the moon transform into this white energy to cleanse your body. Breathing softly, watching the energy flow out your pores into your aura and the room around you. As you scan from up to down, left to right, front to back. Make sure to envision all parts of your body. Your tiny fingertips, your toe tips, the tip of your nose, your vertebrae. Fill every space within you and let that energy pour out. You're going to continue to breathe softly, visualizing this pure purging and purification for 1 more minute. Recharge the energy as needed and continue to visualize all around you, the energy moving out. Keep your vision soft, your eyes partially closed. Now move your gaze to your lower dantian. Focus all of the white light energy in this storehouse of energy, this perfect combination of yang and yin energy. You may choose to place your hands over your lower dantian to help you focus. And we're going to take 2 deep abdominal breaths to close the meditation. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly, slower than your inhale. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Long and slow. Roll your shoulders back a couple of times and then roll them forward. And just kind of bounce your shoulders a little bit and move your head side to side. Drop your chin forward and lift it up and back. Come to center, look over your right shoulder and look over your left shoulder. Back to center.